Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how we can remove this underline from my link. So this is an external link that will take me to my YouTube channel, What's Developer. So to remove this underline, I'm just gonna go to Visual Studio Code, but you can use your own code editor of your choice. As you can see, I have this A tag with this link. So now you have three options. You can target the A tag, you can add a class or an ID to this one. So if you target the A tag, you will remove underlines from all of your links, or you can just add a class or an ID to target specific links. So I just want to add a class to this one, and this will be my external links. Like so. So we have a class with external links, so we're gonna target this class and remove this underline. So we're gonna go to my style.css and we're gonna target for classes, we're gonna add a dot, so external dash links. Open and close curly braces, like so, and now we're gonna add text dash decoration colon, and we're just gonna add none. Finish off with semicolon. Save this one and just go back to your browser and have a look. And now we can see that we have removed this underline and everything works. Okay everyone, so comment below if this worked out for you. Also check out my other videos. And also we have a pure developer channel, What's Developer. You find the link in the description if you want to check that out as well. Okay everyone, so subscribe, have an awesome day, take care and bye.